What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna tell you in under 3 minutes the most important things about the new DJI Mavic Mini and why, in my humble opinion, you should get rid of all your drones except this one. That's what I did. So let's go and test it out. Today we have a beautiful day here in Zurich, which is rare in winter, and let's fly a little bit. Best thing about this drone is that it's super small, so you can throw it in the backpack just like this. This is the perfect spot to try out the Mavic Mini. I'm gonna fly it over the river of Zurich here. This place is called Letten and it's actually quite nice. In summer you can swim here, but now it's obviously freezing. I have to admit that this $400 phone-sized drone surpassed my expectations. This drone can shoot in different resolutions, but the most interesting is 25 frames per second in 2.7K. I decided to get rid of all my drones and buy this one for one main reason: the weight. This drone is under 250 grams. If you didn't know, when a drone is more than 250 grams, in many countries you have to register it and get a license. With this, you can avoid that. Now let's talk about the quality of the footage. I really like this drone, the quality is good. I don't really like the fact that you cannot change a lot of things manually. This drone does everything for you, but it's also because it's targeted at new pilots, new drone pilots, people that want to start. Also, I think this drone is really perfect for just families that want to get great and cool shots for their vacations. Anyone can fly this drone. In my opinion, you don't have to buy the Fly More combo because on the Mavic Mini the battery improved a lot. I have a hack for you, so you can buy a power bank and just recharge your Mavic Mini with the power bank, so you can save a lot of money this way. And these guys are swimming. You're crazy. This is the actual temperature outside. Thanks to the trick I just showed you, I managed to do another flight and I got this stunning footage. In summary, with this drone you sacrifice a little bit of quality for the convenience. Still, you can get great quality footage out of it, and this is why I think this is the perfect drone for 90% of the people watching this video. So if you want to buy any product mentioned in the video or this Mavic Mini, you can find the links in the description down below. If you use them, it will be at no additional cost to you and you will help support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye guys.